Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use templates on the Canva application to create a document with a standard format. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should go to your home page and tap on the Docs button at the top. After that, you should scroll down till you find this Docs section down below at the bottom of the page and click on the See All button in the right side of the screen. Then you should check out all of the available templates. As you can see, there are 30 templates. Here you have all of them, so make sure that you check them out, and if there is any that you would like to use, just simply tap on it and then you will be able to use the template to create your document. You are going to see the format, and then you can replace the relevant information. So here you can find it. There is a picture at the top. You can change the title. Just simply cut it out and then type in your own text. Here is your overview. You had the table here, so make sure that you customize it. Just simply tap into the relevant box, then delete it and type in your own text. And then you will be able to customize it. You can change the colors of it. You can, as you can see down below, you can change the color of this box. You can change the border. The table spacing can be set on this slide, as well as the font, text style, font size, color, format, and spacing information. So if you tap on the More button, you can also copy it, paste it, add the column or add the row to it. So that's how you can customize a template on the Canva application. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.